In this After Effects tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a super slow-mo video inside After Effects. You can slow down any 30 frames per second footage. So as you can see, this is the footage. So this is the super slow-mo footage inside the After. Let me delete this and now adding my footage. As you can see, this is my footage I download from Pixels. This is free. And as you can see, detail, this is 29 frames per second and 1920 by 1080p. So let me play this. As you can see, this is the real-time footage, and let me quit this, adding it to the After Effect, drag into the timeline, and let me adjust this inside timeline. I just need the 5 seconds, so cut it down. And so this is my footage. I just need a 5-second footage, so let me adjust this a little bit more. This is the footage. Let me play this, and as you can see, this is my footage. Now let me right click time stretch, and let's increase the double 200. This is 100. And as you can see, this is now 10-second clip. So as you can see, it stretch it to 10 seconds because I slow down. Let me play this. As you can see, this is choppy. This is not good. This is we don't want this. So as you can see, this is a choppy clip, not a super slow-mo. So let me, to fix this, go to the right click, frame blending, and select pixel motions. You need to select the pixel motion, not frame mix. Let's click the fix, and now we need to render this timeline. So after rendering the timeline, as you can see, let me play the footage for you. As you can see, now it's super cool and super slow-mo, not a choppy footage. This is what we want. So this is the easiest way to create a super slow motion video, a real-time footage into super slow-mo footage. So let me play this. This is a real-time, and this is after editing inside After Effects, the super slow-mo after adding pixel motion. So this is actually really easy. Let me actually play without and with pixel motion. So as you can see the difference. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel.